Yeah, we are flying in Karaitahi Beach at sunset. The wind is not so strong. Maybe I go down, I don't know. Let's do it. This place is so beautiful. Yeah, look, the waterfall down there. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Woo! Yeah, this is good, huh? This is good. If you go in this situation of a cliff and have some wind, how long you stay flying on the cliff? You keep flying. If the wind continues and you continue on this situation, you are soaring. Yeah, baby, soaring with the wind. Wow, this is perfect today. When you pull, you go up. When you release, you go down. Pull, you go up. Release, you go down. Turn the body, pull up. Yee! So now directly from Karaitahi Beach, this video is coming to an end. In the sunset, after flying all weekend, super good. I enjoyed to be here a lot. Today I was make my first flight with the microphones. I hope it works good. And now you're gonna have a good video and a good audio. So if you like it, to hear my voice, oh yeah, come to see my next video. See you next time.